Here is a higher 5,000 or 5,500 BTUs window air conditioning unit. So I got the fan circulating the AC right now in the guest room. So now I'm going to turn it on. It's going to start a fan, starting with high fan. So that's high fan. So that's it on high fan. Now here's medium fan. Low fan. Oops. Now let's do cool. Now here's high cool. And the compressor just kicked on. So I'm going to go outside and hear the compressor. Here's what the compressor looks like inside the AC. Now here is medium cool. Oops, wrong button. Now here's low. Now here's low cool. Auto cool. And it has a timer that's on, off, sleep, and completely off. And it has an energy, and it's got an energy saver, It's got dehumid, and that's the arrow buttons if you want to change the temperature. And off. So that is it on my higher 5,000 or 55,000 BTU window air conditioning unit. And this is for you, Dylan, the vintage and antique collector. Thank you guys for watching.